History. Go Devil Boats, a testament to ingenuity in the marine industry, was founded by Warren Coco in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Established with the commitment to durability and versatility, the company's roots trace back to a vision of creating boats capable of navigating challenging waterways. Warren Coco's founding principles in the early years laid the foundation for a company that would redefine boating for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Best inventions. Go Devil Boats has consistently been at the forefront of boat design innovation. The company is renowned for its invention of the Go Devil engine, a shallow water drive system that allows boats to traverse waters where traditional propellers would be impractical. This groundbreaking invention has revolutionized the way boats navigate marshes, swamps, and shallow rivers, earning Go Devil a reputation for reliability and performance in challenging environments. Recent developments. In recent years, Go Devil Boats has continued to enhance its product line, incorporating modern technology and design advancements. These developments aim to further improve the efficiency and versatility of their boats, ensuring they remain a top choice for those navigating rugged terrains. The company's commitment to staying at the forefront of technological progress underscores its dedication to meeting the evolving needs of its user base. Current status. As of today, Go Devil Boats maintains a robust presence in the boating industry, standing as a symbol of innovation and reliability.